In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do multiple video generations in Higgsfield AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create several variations of a video quickly from the same starting point, so you can compare results and pick the best one. First, open your browser and go to the Higgsfield AI website. This brings you to their homepage where all the creative tools live. We'll be working in the video section. At the top of the page, hover over the video option in the main navigation. Hovering reveals the video creation tools and is the quickest way to get to the generator we need. Next, click Create Video. This opens the video workspace where you'll set up the source image, write your prompt, choose a model, and generate your results. Think of this as your control room for experimentation. Start by uploading an image. Click Upload Image. Choose the picture you want from your device and confirm by clicking Upload. Pick a clear, high-quality image. JPG or PNG usually works best because the generator will use this as the visual anchor for your animation. A well-lit, in-focus image tends to produce cleaner, more coherent motion in the final output. Now, type your prompt. This is where you tell the model what to do with your image. Be specific and descriptive. For example, describe the motion you want, the mood, the setting, or any stylistic direction. Short prompts can work, but a bit more detail can help the model understand your intent. If it helps, imagine you're directing a few seconds of video. What should move, how should it feel, and what should the camera be doing? Choose your model next. Different models can vary in style, realism, motion quality, and speed. If you want a more cinematic look, pick the model known for rich detail. If you need something faster or more stylized, choose accordingly. The model choice often has as much impact as the prompt, so it's worth trying more than one over the course of your experiments. Click Generate to create your first video. After the generation finishes, review the result. Now comes the key to multiple video generations. Iterate. Edit your prompt directly. Tweak the motion, change the style, adjust the pacing, or swap descriptive terms, and click Generate again. Repeat this as many times as you like. Keep the same uploaded image if you want consistent side-by-side comparisons, or vary the language to explore bigger creative swings. Small prompt changes can produce meaningful differences, and testing multiple models with the same prompt can reveal which one best matches your vision. That's it. You've just learned how to create multiple video generations in Higgsfield AI by uploading once, prompting thoughtfully, choosing a model, and iterating your prompt to produce a series of variations you can compare and refine.